How to log into Credit One Bank credit card online account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Then you want to head over to creditonebank.com. Once you're on this page, you want to sign into your account by entering your username, password, then click on the option of Secure Sign In. In case you have forgotten your username, click on Forgot Username. Click on Forgot Password if you have forgotten your password. If you want to set up your online account access, click on this link. Once you have been logged into your account, you will be able to see your account summary page. From there, you want to click on the option of credit cards by selecting it from the list of the menu. Once you have clicked on the credit cards option, you will be able to access your credit card account from there. You can check out all the details of your credit card, including your transactions. You will also be able to view your balance, make payments, and perform other account management activities. You can also apply for a new credit card from here. You can click on the option of See If You Qualify option and enter all of your details to check out if you are eligible for that credit card. If you are, you can fill up the online form and then apply for that credit card. After reviewing your application, the bank will determine whether you qualify for the credit card or not. If you do, you will be receiving your decision on the email or mail. If approved, you will receive your credit card in the mail within a few business days. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.